Hi, Math Explorers. Today we're going to explore simple sound patterns. I have a ruler and a pencil. I can make sounds with my ruler. I can make sounds with my pencil. Did you listen to the sounds? Sound patterns everywhere. Here are some sounds that I found in my car. Now let's use our ruler or pencil and tap to the sound patterns that I found in my car. Let's explore more ways to make a sound. What happens when I clap? I made a sound. I can make a pattern when I clap. 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2. Let's clap along with the pattern in this video.
1 clap. 1 clap. 1 clap. 1 clap. 2 claps. 2 claps. 2 claps. 2 claps.
Today we've learned about sounds and sound patterns. We learned that we could make sounds with a ruler and a pencil and our hands.